Welcome back, guys. So today we're having mutton for dinner, and I'm gonna be making it with turmeric and a pinch of curry. Before we get started, if you haven't already, tap that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes posted. Here is all my ingredients that I need for my dish today. Paprika, oil, Maggie all-purpose, black pepper, salt, freshly grated turmeric, a pinch of curry powder, onion. I have potatoes here, but that's optional. Sweet pepper, 2 pegs of garlics, my Scotch bonnet pepper, Sprague of Thyme, Scallion, of course, my mutton, aka goat meat. Can't leave out your vinegar because you need to wash your meat properly. My meat is already washed, clean, and seasoned, and it's been marinating for a couple of hours now. Don't forget, I will have all the measurements in the description box below. So here I have my salt, my paprika, my all-purpose Maggie. I have my turmeric, black pepper. The only thing I don't have on it right now is my pinch of curry powder, because always have to burn that curry. And I do have my 2 pegs of garlic. I grated it right in here. I'm gonna head over to the stove, put my pot on, and then I'm gonna add my oil, and we're gonna start sauteing. This is my freshly grated turmeric. If you're not familiar with the turmeric, it has so much health benefits, and it's also a curry. It could be used as a curry. It's actually yellow just like the curry, and this has so much benefits. Curry powder, just a pinch. You always want to burn your curry. It gives you a better result. Plus curry on a whole, they always say you need to cook your curry really good. So we need to add it to the oil and kind of saute it a little. That's what we call the burning of the curry. And I don't need a lot, so I just put a little bit. Because as I said, I'm using my turmeric. Now I'm adding my mutton. And my turmeric is already on the mutton. Can you see it right there? See my turmeric right there? So after sauteing for around 10 minutes, I am ready to add water and start pressuring. With my turmeric, guys, you don't have to do like me and go get freshly turmeric to grater. They actually sell them in the store. With me, I just love my fresh turmeric because we grow our own turmeric too also. So, we would strip it and just grate it and voila, let it dry and just use it. But they sell it in the store already dry, or you can even get the fresh one if you like. So here I have 3 cups of water. So come on over, take a peek in the pot. So this is what it looks like after 10 minutes of sauteing. So I'm ready to pressure. And I always tell you, you need enough water in your pressure pot. So I need to add more water. That's 2 more cups of water. Put my lid on and we're gonna be pressuring for 20 minutes. Finally! I was struggling a little bit with the top. While my pressure pot is going on over there, I'm just gonna go ahead and start chopping up my scallions, sweet pepper, and all of that. So let me just go ahead and show you how I do it. So I'm not using a lot of sweet pepper, just little pieces or small amount, like so. My Scotch bonnet pepper, because it's mutton, so I need it a little spicy. My garlic, as I said already, had 2 pegs of garlic that I grated, so it's already there. So I'm just gonna use 1 more peg of garlic. So let me just go ahead and strip this down. And of course, everything is already washed. So I'm just gonna strip it like this. And I wanna give a big shout out to my friend Altia for my cutting boards. I love them, girl. So this is my onion scallion that are already chopped, washed and cleaned and chopped and ready. So I'm just gonna add the peppers and the garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and peel my potatoes and put them in some water until I'm ready. I'm gonna need them in the last 15 minutes of my cooking time. And of course, my potatoes are already washed. So I'm just gonna peel and then just place in some water, as I said. My 20 minutes of pressuring time is done on high heat, so I'm ready to cool my pot down. You hear that sound, guys? That's my pot cooling. Okay, so you hear it no more. So that's when you know your pot is cool. All that pressure that was built up in there, it's out. What-a! Back on the stove. Medium heat. So I am gonna add my onions and scallion, and I'm gonna add it for 25 more minutes of cooking time. Put the lid on, and when the last 15 minutes of cooking time, that's when I'm gonna add my potatoes. My meat is looking tender and nice. Oh, meat falling off the bone. Look at that. That's a bone. The meat fell off. Look at that. Medium heat because I want it to simmer. I am ready to start dicing my potatoes. The reason I had them soaking in water is because I noticed when you peel them and have them sitting there for a while, they tend to start getting a little colored. So I place them in water and they'll look fresh and nice still. So I'm just gonna dice up so I could put in the pot for the last 15 minutes. So let me just put them in this container right here. And you know, I always tell you guys, as I told you the last time, all my kids love their potatoes. Whenever I do curry chicken or mutton, you know, they love their potatoes in it. I just try to give them what they want. Man, I'm really loving these cutting boards. Shout out Altia like once again for my cutting boards. They are lovely, honey. Ready to add my potatoes. Okay guys, dinner is ready. Dinner is served. Look at this. Look at this. My mutton, I cooked it using turmeric and just a pinch of curry because I wanted to give it a little bit more color. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And I did a little bit of steam. I just kind of, not steam, sorry, saute my carrot and cucumber right here, just a little bit on the side. Let me go ahead and taste my meat. Let me taste it. Perfect. Tender, well seasoned. Oh my gosh, the turmeric is the bomb. Try it, guys. Try it. Bye. Bye for now, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.